Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about making flatbreads like chapati, paratha or tortilla wraps without needing any dough or no need of rolling any dough, making it convenient for anyone to make perfect round shaped chapatis or parathas in minutes. I'm using a batter to prepare them, and I'm also sharing a quick garlic paratha recipe too. These flatbreads are super soft, tasty and goes well with any curries. So let's start the video. But before I proceed, a small request guys. 92% of people are watching my videos without subscribing. So please click on the subscribe button to support me, as it takes only a second to subscribe. For making chapatis, I'm taking plain flour here, which is also called as maida or all-purpose flour. I'm taking 1 cup of this flour. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar. Give it a mix and add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. Now use the same cup which you used to measure flour and measure 1 cup of water. Add water to flour and then mix gently by using a whisk until you get a lump-free batter. The batter is nicely ready here with no lumps. Now I'm going to set it aside for 5 minutes. Heat a non-stick pan on low flame. The pan should be slightly hot where you can touch gently with your fingers. This is the perfect temperature for making chapatis. Give a mix to the batter and gently pour on pan and slightly spread it. Make sure the flame is on low and keep cooking until the batter dries out and turns into a translucent disc. When side starts to release, gently by using a flat spatula, flip it over and cook until the other side gets slightly done. As both sides of the wrap slightly cooked, now increase the flame to medium and keep cooking by gently pressing and frying on both sides until it puffs up nicely. Make sure to cook these chapatis on medium flame, as this way they will stay soft. By gently pressing on all sides, the chapati will be cooked evenly. As you can see, the chapati is nicely done here. No one can believe that you made it with a batter rather than chapati dough. So it's that simple to make these chapatis. The first one is done here. Now I'm going to place it on a plate and cover it with a kitchen towel so it can stay soft until I prepare rest of them. Before I make the second one, I'm going to reduce the flame to low and then I'm going to sprinkle some water and wipe it with a clean kitchen towel. This way the temperature of the pan will cool down and it's perfect to make chapatis. Now pour the batter and cook on low flame until the batter dries out. Then flip and cook until both the sides are slightly done. Once they are done slightly on both the sides, then increase the flame to medium and finish off cooking until the chapatis are done. So these are the main steps which you have to follow to make perfect chapatis. If you want to make chapatis very thin, like wraps for kati rolls or frankies, all you need to do is pour the batter and spread it very thin on the pan. And cook the same way like I mentioned earlier. With these thin wraps, you can stuff curry inside and wrap it to make a frankie. By using these wraps, I made a simple egg roll. The recipe will be posted on my channel pretty soon, so please be subscribed. Now let's see how to prepare garlic parathas. I prepared the batter the same way like I mentioned earlier and added quarter teaspoon of coriander leaves. If you have fresh ones, you can chop them and add quarter teaspoon of red chili flakes for spice and quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. If you haven't got garlic powder, just add the paste of freshly grated garlic. Give it a mix until it's well combined. Batter is ready. Now Pour it on pan and cook the same way like I showed earlier. You can also apply some oil while frying, as these make crispy paratas. The other way to cool down the pan is just by removing it from the flame and placing it on the side. Then add batter. Let the residue heat of the pan dry out batter. Once the batter is dried out, place it back on flame and keep cooking like I mentioned. The garlic paratha is all ready. Enjoy with your favorite curry. These flatbreads are really soft and taste amazing. Do try them and let me know how they turned out. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If so, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel so YouTube algorithm can push my content to more people. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye.